Welcome everyone to Shattered Veil. We're going to go through the entire main Easter egg. Let's go through all the steps you can do before round 10. For the light canister, you'll need to grab 2 reflectors. First one is here in the Conservatory, the second one can be found here in the southwest balcony. For the toxic canister, you'll need 4 plant seeds. These can be found in various locations every game. Grab this Molotov in the Overlook for 1 plant seed. There's actually 2 spots in the motor court, the other one is by the door. Over by the rear patio, there is a potential plant spot, as well as in the kitchen here is a Molotov. In the southwest balcony is a potential spot as well. Make sure to get all 4 plant seeds here before round 10. Once you reach the study, look through these 4 different spots for a bell. This will be used for a step for the explosive canister. Make sure to break these white crates when you spot them. Normally you'll get a vermin or scrap, but eventually this Essecne Bomb will be found. In the banquet hall is this lamp. Grab it and bring it back to the grand foyer and place it here. Doing this little Simon Says puzzle will unlock this room for the explosive canister. The library has this fuse from this zombie, and in the director's quarters there is this circuit board from this computer. Using those 2 items you can repair this elevator, and after clearing out the zombies inside, you're able to go down to the mainframe chamber. Look over here at this letter, it'll either be an A or a B. Grab yourself 2 combat axes for this next step. There is one in the nursery here, as well as another can be found where you spawn. In the service tunnel, throw the first combat axe right here, and then either at A or B. Grab yourself an explosive lethal and blow up this glass chamber for an empty canister. Another canister can be obtained by grabbing this Kazimir, trailing the zombie behind the elevator and tossing the Kazimir right here by this zombie hole. As you can see, the zombie won't die and you'll get another canister. Place the Essecne Bomb right here in the service tunnel. Down here we can turn an empty canister into the light canister. Place the 2 reflectors on these spots. Then melee this crystal in the center and kill the first doppelgast. Melee the first reflector and grab the second one and move it up over here and then melee it once. Melee the crystal again and kill the second doppelgast. Melee the first reflector one more time and then melee the crystal to fight the last doppelgast. This one will be the strongest of the 3. Once killed, you can grab the light canister. The explosive canister can be obtained in Shem's Henge. You'll need to get this abomination to shoot lightning at these 3 rocks around here, as well as you also need the abomination to dash on each rock after shooting it with lightning. After getting all 3 rocks to be shot with lightning and dashed into, you'll need to defend the center from vermin. Once done, the round will end, and you'll be able to get the explosive canister. The toxic canister can be done instead of one of the others, but for that step, you'll have to watch part 2 where we go over the steps after round 10. Thanks for watching everyone, have a good one.